I've made one or two of these wooden key fobs, which I'm calling tree keepers. But if I'm going to display and sell them, the wire loops need to look a lot more uniform. Now, I don't want to buy in pre-made loops. My work is all about reuse of scrap materials. So here's how I'm developing a kind of small-scale assembly line. First, I need the wire loops to be a consistent size. This is done simply with a piece of scrap wood. I bend the wire around it, cut it off, and now I make the same size loop every time, quickly and with no mistakes. Next, I need to make some holes in my wood slices with the correct spacing. I've already lined up my slices in the vise, so the drilling can all be done in one operation. This is one of the rules of mass production. You do batches of work. A batch of cutting, batch of sanding, drilling, wire cutting, gluing, so on. It's quicker and mentally less fatiguing too. I'm using the same scrap of wood that I use for the bending. I've shaved the other end to the width that I want to drill the holes apart. And I fit the drill so that drilling down as far as the scrap of wood gets the depth that I want. Then it's simply a matter of gluing them in. Once you've got your workflow and templates set up right, you should find yourself creating more consistent work, more quickly, and maybe making more of it yourself, which is better for profits, and quite likely better for the environment if you no longer have to mail order components from foreign factories. So, I hope some of these ideas help you improve the quality of your craft, and happy making!